Did you see Nesia?
No.
If you see her, tell her that I've been looking for her, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Nesia, is that you?
Bestie told me that. You looking for me?
Hump, yes. Yeah, I've been looking for, that's why I ask. Bestia.
Why? Any problem?
Nope, I just want to see you. I just want to. Forget it. I'm shy. I think I'm in love with this girl. What can I do? I'm nervous. Relax, okay? I handle this. My heart beating fast. Oh my gosh.
Did you see her bird?
Yeah. She leave for a while. She said she have something to do first. Where she is. Yo buddy, did you see Nesia?
Nope.
Where is Nesia? I missed her so much. How can I find her? I don't know her house and cell phone number. I need to talk, her friend Bestie. Wait, how can I find Bestie? She is not here. I will find the way to found you, Nesia. Did you see Nesia?
No, she was here for a while. I think she was going somewhere.
Can you accompany me to their house? I don't know their house.
Her parents so strict.
How can I see Nesia?
Why don't you ask Bestie?
Okay, if you see Bestie, just hold her, okay?
Okay, no problem with that.
Thank you so much. Nesia? Hey, is that you? Oh my gosh, what is happening to me? Nesia, I'm looking for you. Nesia, please talk to me. Hey, Nesia, what happened? Why don't you not talking?
I'm so sorry, Bird. I have something to tell you, Bird.
What?
We are leaving. We are going to the USA.
What? USA? What about me?
I'm so sorry, Bird. That is the decision of Dad and Mom.
They are sure with that? What about us? What about me?